So this is tip nine, alright, more like the ninth episode of our documentary, and yeah, this is the update on what we've got this week. So throughout the previous week, I didn't take any trade. There wasn't any setup. Gold was like literally slow last week. The whole price action was very slow, so we were just ranging. So and it was this week that we had a major breakout, and I want to show you guys the trade I'm currently on and what I've got going on for this week. All right, so we've rounded off this week, and I want to give a breakdown of all the trades I took this week. And yeah, so let's get right into the trade. All right, guys, so this week I traded four pairs. I took a trade on NAS, I took a trade on gold, I took a trade on silver and Bitcoin. So Bitcoin was the last trade I called for this week. So out of these four trades, I've only closed one of them, which is on Nasdaq. It actually slipped me out, so we hit stops on Nasdaq. I took a stop loss on Nasdaq, and this is it, right? This is the trade on Nasdaq. This is not really loading right now. Okay, let me get the trade on. Okay, this is the trade on Nasdaq. You can see how I got slipped out on this trade. But overall, my bias is still like very bullish on this pair. You can see this, and like this is like we're having a breakout of that trend line at this region, and this was where I got in. So it was so unfortunate that price literally slipped me out. You can see that almost by like one peak, and we started moving up. So that's the only trade I have taken loss on. I took loss on this week out of the four trades I took. The rest are still like running. I haven't like closed the three trades. For where I took this account, this was on the 50k account. So we have about less than 1% to like bridge the account. So I was basically risking 0.5% on this one, and we lost it. So we're left with 0.5% now, which I'm going to reduce the rate. So this is my plan. I just don't want to lose the account. All right, so I'm going to reduce risk on it, maybe go down to risking $100 on it. So once I'm back up, I'm going to increase my risk again. So that's how I want to do it. I just don't want to lose any account. I just want to keep them. I can actually reduce my risk and still wait for my edge to like play out now that I've started seeing clean setup. So I don't want to like blow the account, and so I want to reduce risk and keep trading it till once I make a certain percentage, I will always increase my rate till I get it out of drawdown. That's just the personal decision that I've made on this account. So on my next trade, I wouldn't be risking the entire 0.5%. I'm going to reduce the risk till I get it out of drawdown. Now for the other three trades, the one on gold, this is gold. All right. Yeah, seriously, we've had a huge break on gold. After this correction, you can see how price is correctively moving up, and we've been printing higher lows and higher highs. So let me not just go in depth on, but yeah, this is actually my model. My model, the moment we couldn't print a new low, price broke above that level, and on the retest, that was where I got my entry. And this is how I currently looking on the chart. This is on Bitcoin. So this trade on Bitcoin and the trade on gold, I took them on one of my accounts. All right, so it's still at the challenge phase. So hopefully this is going to take us out of drawdown and maybe in some little profit, right? So and for the silver trade, I took it on my funded account. So I actually have a payout date on the account on the 27th, which is next week, all right, which is next week. So but one thing on the funded next account is that you can't hold trades over the weekend. If I'm to hold that trade, my silver trade, look at my silver trade here. If I'm to hold the trade over the weekend, I'm probably going to get that account out of drawdown because it's just in about 4% drawdown. So I need to make the 4% back, then a little bit, or maybe 1%. Even if I make 5% overall and I'm like 1% positive, I'll be able to request a payout. That will still be something. But on a funded next account, you can't hold the trade like over the weekend. So I guess they're gonna close my position on that particular account. So the trade I've only run like two arrow. So this is like basically covering 2% from the 4% drawdown. So I still have like 2% more to bring it back to break even. Yeah, and that's it. So this is a BTC trade we're still like running. All right, and for the my PNL, this is the Bitcoin and silver trade. You can see both of them are actually running one arrow plus. All right, one arrow plus, and this is one of the accounts. This is actually the challenge account, so I can hold this over the weekend. It's just a swap. I think for gold, that's why I actually like trading gold. Look at the swap fee; it's very small. This is about $1.95. Then for Bitcoin, you can see crypto has an extremely high swap fee. It's about $12.60. This is crazy. Now let me go to my second account. So this is the funded account that has a payout date on the 27th. So this is currently, what's the swap fee? 1.78. So currently this one, I think they said they will automatically close it if the trade stays over the weekend. So I hope there's no like breach rule. I've not like breached any rule because I'm supposed to like close it manually, or I just forgot honestly. Then this is the 50k account. This was where I took the Nasdaq trade. You can see NDX 100 0.1 lot size. Yeah, and I was basically risking 0.5%, which is around $250. So you can see 228. That was what I lost on this. And currently we have 307 dollars as balance. So this is still like above 0.5%. So like I said, I'm going to divide this into the $300 into three, risking $100 each. So once if I make 3%, that's $300. Then I'm going to like increase my risk. So I still have like three more chances left on this account. I don't just want to risk the entire $100 because I have other accounts, so I can take my time bringing it out of drawdown. So that's my plan for this, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyway, today is Saturday, this is time 1:14, and if you guys can see that, this is 1:14. So I'm just going to backtest. I'm actually with my laptop, so I'm just going to backtest today and just study what happened this week, the price action this week, and I'm going to journal this trade as well. Though I haven't like closed some of them, so but I'm still like going to journal them. I feel like yeah, that winning streak is coming, and now that good has broken out of the consolidation, we're really going to have some volume coming to the market. So I'm really going to like capitalize on this opportunity. So I'm going to study and journal. So that's basically what I'll be doing today, Saturday. Right? I hope you guys you study on Saturdays, study your chart, review your trades, because that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'll catch up with you guys later. If there's any updates, I'm definitely gonna show it. Obviously, there's no other updates as regards trading because it's already weekend. So yeah, we'll just continue from next week.